Silicon Phosphorus Crystal, or SPC for short, represents a slow-dissolving spherical chemical agent. This glassy small spheres are crafted through the high temperature calcination of active ingredients like soda, phosphoric acid, and calcium carbonate within the range of 1200 to 1700 degrees. SPC requires a dedicated Dyson hand. When the SPC concentration in the effluent reaches 3 to 5 ppm, it can effectively inhibit torsion on scale, and the efficiency reaches more than 80%. The concentration of SPC in the effluent water increases with soaking time and environmental temperature. When the concentration is too high, it can cause harm to the human body. It cannot be used in closed circulation systems. The treated water cannot be heated repeatedly after boiling, nor can it be used in water temperatures exceeding 100 degrees, such as solar water heaters. Therefore, the most common household water softening method is resin softening, which is considered safer and more effective than SPC.